The snipping tool in Windows 11 will soon be updated to include screen recording, meaning Windows users won't have to rely on the Xbox Game Bar or third-party tools just to record their screens. Windows 11 testers will start getting access to the updated snipping tool today, and the new record option will allow you to record an entire screen or even a section that gets cropped. The update comes more than 4 years after Microsoft first introduced a new screenshot experience for Windows. Microsoft has only just started testing this with Windows 11 testers in the DEV channel, so it's likely some weeks or months before this snipping tool is released to everyone using Windows 11.
So, what do you think about this new feature? Do you need screen recording? And if so, which screen recording app were you using until now? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more technology-related videos and news.